Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today I am going to teach you how to use filter option in Excel. Just open Excel worksheet. There are three headings: item, quantity and company. I want to view these data in different criteria and in different requirements. How can I view these data in different requirements? You can use filter option. Just go to the home and you can see here sort and filter. Just click filter. Now filter has been applied and you can click here. I want to see. Here you can see all the item which belong to your data. Just click select, uncheck this button and click which you want. I want keyboard data and mic data. Just click OK. You will see keyboard and mic record in this sheet. You can, if you want to view different data, just check like a headphone, just check it and click OK. You can view all the data which belong to headphone, keyboard and mic. You can clear the filter by using clear filter from item, and you can use filter in quantity as well. Just click here. You can see in number filter, it will display a number filter, and in number filter you will see different option like equal to. I want to use greater than. Quantity which is greater than 75 I want to display. Just click here, and I can use another filter which is between. Quantity between 60, greater than and equal to 60 and less than and equal to 80. Click OK. It will display all the record which is 60 to 80, and if I want to clear filter, just click clear filter from quantity. It will display all the records. I can use in quantity filter like a filter top 10. Top 10 means just I want to use top 5 record of this data. Just click 5, top 5 record and press OK. It will display top 5 record, top quantity of 5 record. You can clear this filter as well, and you can use above the average. All the records which are above the average will be displayed. You can clear the filter from quantity as well. If you want to remove the filter, just click here and press again. It will remove the filter. You can use shortcut key for applying filter. Control Shift L. Control Shift L. Again it will remove. You can use filter option which is just select all the data which you want to filter and click style. There you will find format as a table, and you can use any formatting here. My table has a header, okay, and filter has been applied, and you can choose any quantity which you want to display. It is a good technique for apply filter. You can apply filter by color, like just select this option and I will make it different color. Just select it and make it yellow. And if I want to use filter, you can filter from color, filter by color you can use, and just select yellow, it will display yellow color only. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.